Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau. Well, suppose that you have created slides, beautiful slides, and you kind of want to give this a hangout, but you don't want to print it out, right? If you want to print it out, it's easy. Just go to File, click Print, and you can print it as a handout, right? Print all the slide, print on both sides, uh, print on pages, right? Print on as an outline, or you can print as a yeah. There is many options you can do so, right? Print out outline, print two slides with these lines right here, or but sometime you don't want this. Sometimes you don't want this right here. You want something like here. So the slides there at the bottom is some lines there, right? So for people to write some notes. So as users look at these slides, they can write some notes there. So one way is that you can cut this and paste it to a Word document, right? So right, yeah, you can really, right, you can fire up these snip tools, right? Snipping tools, right? It's an IP from that tools here, right? And you can just cut this out, copy it, and really just paste it here, right? And yeah, and then here you can say, well, this is about the slide one, right? So this is slide one, and down here you want to write some lines there. I mean, this is just one way as well, right, to create these things. Um, Kind of tedious, but one of the one of the ways to create a handout. Yep. So the other way, which Microsoft Teams created, is a very handy way, right? Just really just create based on these, create a handout automatically. So go to File, go to Export. Again, I go to Files, go to Export, create a handout. Now that's what it means to create handout in Microsoft Word. Put the slides and the notes in the Word document, add in format containing words. Right. Automatic update slides in the handout when the presentation change. Right. So create this. Okay. If you want to automatic change, right, then you have to choose paste links, and then we go for there you are, right. Blank lines next to, we don't want that. We want something like there. Blank lines with notes. Maybe we'll try that things. Notes below slides. Click OK. And that's generated slides. Okay, so that's one. Right now, if I just change this, why I want to join, why you shouldn't start a business. Okay, for maybe that was just we should add it now there as well, right? So I just save the work, and let's see if that change. Look at that, look at that, right? You just change, right? And I just added this as well, right? Yeah, can see that it changed. And that's because it's really just highlighting, right? Family, we can just add relative, friends, uh, network, right? Uh, some religion, uh, religions, society, banks, online, crowdsourcing. So, crowd. All right, I don't know how to crowdsourcing, right? Something like crowd. Um, Anyway, I just run this down. I just go to here, right? 60. Oh, take a look, right? This is really a link, right? It just updated themselves, right? Okay, so uh, many ways to updates to find money, but trust must be earned first. Okay, that's my notes, and I'll save this, right? Um, but it does seems like it's created, but that's okay, right? Let's just close it, right? Go to file, export, create hands out. We want notes below these, right? And where it pastes as a link, right? If you just choose paste, right, it will not update as what you seen earlier. Now I can see that there's some notes there, so alright. Why not just do it? Just do it. Make you and your family planning carefully. Okay, let's just save this one. See if it will change, right? Now, obviously, that the note itself will not change, but the title will change. So let's just take things, right? Why I must start. Okay, I save the work and I go to here. I see it already changed to I must start here. Okay, that's great. So if those slides are final, now you can move on to your handouts and add some other things that you like too, right? Such as for example that you want to create insert pictures, right? Or insert your wording, right? Can Lao Chi Yong, or maybe just put the copyright, right? Yeah, kind of right. You can insert a symbol such as the copyright symbols. They are alternate control C, right? Insert close, right? So alternate control C will help you to insert that, or you want to just print it out, right? Yep. Now compared to manually done and the one we do it with automatic, right? Oh, I choose the wrong one. It should be this, right? Yes, this one. Now, obviously, this one will give you more control before you print it out as a hands out. You can add more wordings, right? Or maybe at the back you change something else, right? And I just save the work then. Okay, I'm just save it to, and then here, right? Uh, I can say hands out for students, right? 0818 class, and save the work, right? And now I want to do a test, right? See whether it works. So I must not start a business. Okay, now I'm over here, And let's open this file. Hands out for student. Let's open this file. Alright, this contains links that may link to other files. Do you want to update this file? Yes, I say yes. And yes, right. It's updates to that file as well, right? And where does this file located? Right, this file is located in the same folder as well, right? So the best is that you created your handout and your files, right, all on the same file, on the same folder, so it's easier to link, right? And the file size is very small as well. So how do you add values in your presentations, right? It's not just about creating a beautiful slide. It's about two-way communications, and that requires some interactions. So prepare your hands out nicely and give it out, right? If you want to go digital, you can, right? Just move to your here, right, and head to file, and or you can go to this. I have installed what do you call that? These quick access toolbars buttons, right? I just click on this and I turn this into a PDF files, right? If I find that this is correct, nicely done, then I'll just pass this hands out to my students. Yeah, yes, pretty good, huh? You can change that. All right, so let me know what have you learned, right, and how would you apply this knowledge to your work, to your school project. Thanks for watching.